Dr. Assis Shivaji has completed his PhD in Agriculture Extension Education from Dr. Bala Sahib Samant Kongan Krishi Vidyapith, Dapoli, 2019. And he has worked as Senior Technical Assistant in Krishi Vigyan Kendra for 2 years and also in All India Coordinator Research Project on Agroforestry for almost 13 years. And Mr. Assis, Dr. Assis is currently working as an Assistant Professor at Department of Extension Education, College of Agriculture in Dapoli. And he will be presenting on concerns faced by the farm women practicing organic farming in Ratnagiri district of Even district. Yeah, Dr. Assis.
Sir, please provide me share option, sir.
Yeah, it will
For
be
sharing my presentation.
Yeah, Mr. Kausik.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, please go. Yeah, it is already.
Hello, sir. Hello.
We are seeing your PPT. Please go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, very much. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir. Shall I start, sir?
Please.
Okay, sir. First of all, I welcome all of you, respected dignitaries, and national and international guests and panelists. I welcome all of you. My name is Dr. Ashish Shigwad. Today, I am going to present our research topic, constraint faced by the farm woman practicing organic farming in Ratnagiri district of Konkan region. First, we will see the introduction. The Green Revolution has increased agricultural production substantially, but also led several new challenges like decline in productivity, degradation of soil and water resources, diminishing biodiversity, increase in environmental pollution, and increase cost of production. In order to mitigate health hazards and bring out natural balance and protection of ecosystem, organic movement has started in the country. Organic farming is a form of agriculture in which no chemical fertilizers and plant protection chemicals are used in the cultivation of field crops, vegetables and fruits. It is a fact that women are more likely than men spend a given income on food for the family. Thus, resources for women represent resources for food security. In Konkan region also, women play an important role in farming, in carrying various activities, farm operations such as sowing, transplanting, weeding, harvesting, threshing. Keeping all these facts in mind, a study was conducted to find out the constraint faced by the farm woman practicing organic farming. The methodology of the study. The study was conducted in the village TK of Ratnagiri block of Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra state. The list of all well-functioning groups of the organic farmers working under central government scheme, which started in 2015, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, running through Agricultural Technology Management Agency, were obtained from headquarters of Atma in Ratnagiri. The selection of the village was made purposefully as a group working in the village TK was the only group in the district comprising only women as the farmers. For study, all the 50 farm women in the group were selected as respondents. The selected respondents were interviewed personally with the help of a semi-structured interview schedule in order to get relevant information and to draw the conclusions. In this part, we will see the results of the study. Table 1, the distribution of the respondents according to the constraint faced by them in practicing organic farming. in regard with social constraint, unawareness about organic farming is the main constraint expressed by the 24% of the respondent, following by the lack of confidence in organic farming practices by just 8% of the respondent. In regards with situational constraint, the major constraint expressed by the 58% of the respondent is a lack of organic in center in village, followed by small size holding by 54% of the respondent, and non-availability of organic inputs and biofertilizers at proper time by 50% of the respondent, and non-availability of laborers by 48% of the respondent. And in regards with technological constraint, lack of knowledge about organic plant protection measure is the most important constraint expressed by the 76% of the respondent, followed by lack of practical training by 58% of the respondent, and lack of knowledge about biofertilizers by 54% respondent. In regards with marketing constraint, the most severe constraint, the lack of reliable marketing information was a constraint expressed by the 56% of the respondent, followed by high transportation cost by 52% of the respondent, and interference of middlemen in the market by 40% of the respondent. In regards with informational constraint, the major constraint expressed by the respondent are non-availability of information about package of practices for organic crop cultivation. Nearly 68% respondent are a major. This is a most severe constraint, followed by no timely guidance by agricultural department by 40% respondent. From table 1, we clearly observed that social constraints are less severe than the other constraint. This is because most of the people nowadays aware of beneficial effects of organic farming on human health as well as animal health. Our next slide is the distribution of the overall constraint faced by the respondent in practicing organic farming. In regards with the overall constraint faced by the respondent in practicing organic farming, majority 76% of the respondent faced the constraint lack of the knowledge about organic plant protection measures, followed by 68% respondent with non-availability of information about organic package of practices for crop cultivation in the region. So these are the two most severe constraints expressed by the farm women in practicing organic farming in Ratnagiri. Our final slide, that is a conclusion. The most severe constraint expressed by the respondent in practicing organic farming were lack of knowledge about organic plant protection measures and non-availability of information about package of practices for organic crop cultivation. Therefore, private and public officials should give special attention in improvement in these areas. The extension worker, through their regular contact, try to provide detailed information and guide them to solve their problem. And the state agriculture universities should develop package of practices for organic cultivation of the various important crops in the region. So that's all about my presentation. I'm very much thankful to Dr. Sarvanand sir, who gave me an opportunity to present in such a prominent institute like Manage, and all the officials also. So thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ashish Sivaji. When you are study area,
Yes, sir.
anything related to that is, there are community resource persons. They also promote organic farming and livestock and agriculture
Yes,
also. Krishi
Yes,
Sagi,
sir.
Pasu Sagi. When you are studying, any role you seen there?
Yes, sir. Also, some groups are there of the organic farmers, but not actually with regards with women's. This is the group started by the comes under the government scheme, that is Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. So no private groups are there for women in agriculture in the district.
Okay. Mm-hmm. but still developmental departments, others need to do a lot of work to reach really technological information or knowledge or any
Yes,
other
sir.
information
Yes, sir.
related to organic farming.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Many-
Because this is a remote area of the state, Maharashtra state, Konkan region is.
Okay. Even many states, they are trying to promote organic farming in big way. Then women reaching women through appropriate knowledge may be very, very important. It's very quite interesting
sir.
presentation, very small and very short presentation, but very 5 minutes are very important for today's context because many governments and others, even consumers, they are like to have the organic food, is it not? Everywhere people are talking about organic farming. But the farmers, really those who are doing, they are not aware about technologies, not aware about, they are very difficult to get the information and the knowledge means it is really meaningful to listen to it. Thank you very much for quite interesting.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Giving me the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Assis.